Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be doing some makeup today, and we're going to be doing like a spooky Halloween kind of transformation. I'm sorry if you don't like makeup videos, but
we're not worried at all, darling. Soon you'll see things our way.
Did something just happen? Are you guys okay? Anyway, that was weird. We're going to get started. I'm kind of like panicking because there's a bunch of things here that I've never done before. Like we've got scar wax, or whatever this is called, synthetic modeling wax. And I mean, I've got a wig, and there's like face paints and a glue stick. Anyway, let's get started because I feel like the nerves are just gonna freaking take over. So I feel like one of the first things I have to do is use this scar wax stuff. Again, I've never used this, or I'm supposed to like block out my eyebrows. All right, so we got some scar wax here. I think I'm just gonna use a knife and like scrape some of it out because it is kind of like hard, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be. And then you like model it to your face. I think you're supposed to like warm it up with your fingers. It's working. It's working. So I think I want to make my nose pointier. So I'm going to try to lay it on the tip of my nose and like spread it out. This is difficult. How do you make a pointy nose? I feel like I made a Squidward nose. How? Okay, I think I need to like bring this in. We're getting somewhere, okay? We're leaving Squidward land and we're entering somewhere else. You know, it would be terrible as if somebody rang the doorbell right now. That would be quite terrible. A little more Vaseline. Not that this is like an actual tutorial because this is like the first time I'm doing anything like this, but if you've ever tried using this and it's way too sticky, I did see some people talking about how sticky it is, and if you use Vaseline like on your hands and then kind of like work with it, it doesn't stick to your fingers and you're able to get like a smooth application, I suppose. Okay, so it kind of goes out like this. There we go. Yes. It feels weird. Why are you staring at me like that? Is it my nose? All right, so this is where the nose is at for right now, and I've been working on it for a while, so I think I just need to leave it alone for a second. We're gonna work on the cheeks. We're gonna try to make them pointy. Okay, so I'm thinking right here, start pressing it on and sort of like blending it out and yanking our hair out. Okay. Feels weird. I'm just pointy everywhere. Do I think that that's too much? Maybe. Maybe. We're gonna do the other side. Oh god, stuff is hard to get out. Alright, we're gonna do the other side the same exact way. What do we think? Oh my god. What even am I doing? Alright, cheek spikes are on. Now we're going to block out my eyebrows with a glue stick. You wanna come closer? I bet you do. I'm kind of just running glue through my eyebrows, like pulling the hairs up and pressing them flat. That's a great eyebrow. All right. So I just used like a little spoolie to kind of comb through and make sure all the hairs have glue, and then I'm pressing it down with some more glue. And this should hopefully give me like a flat surface to work with and put makeup over, because we're going to be drawing on new eyebrows. I feel like I should hate my eyebrows. looking like this, but I don't. Why? Why? And then I'm gonna go in with this sponge. And we're gonna dip into the powder and press it on to the brows. Like that. Wow. Okay, so I feel like we're ready for the face paint. I feel like I look insane. Anyway, so this is the face paint that I'm going to be using. It's by Mayron. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it's the Edge palette. And it's a professional face and body makeup palette. I believe they are water activated. I have used them before. I actually don't remember why. But we're going to be using these, and I'm going to go in with this white first. I think I'm going to go all over with the white. Dipping in, kind of brushing it around, activating the paints. Amazing. All right, I just went around and kind of set everything with that same powder that I used before on my eyebrows because the face paint is like sitting on the scar wax kind of weird. So I'm hoping that like setting it and getting it to not be like, I don't know, wet looking will help. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Who lives on Holy Lane. Well, he's married to the Muffin Man. No, yeah, she's married. Whatever. The Muffin Man! You're not even working either, so that's great. Maybe don't get water activated. Maybe don't. Alright. Things are looking kind of patchy. I'm gonna be totally honest, but I'm thinking that since these are water activated like face paints, it's not playing well with the scar wax and then the glue. So I'm hoping I'm gonna let this like layer dry sort of, and then I'm hoping to like go back over with another layer and maybe it'll be a little more solid. And not so patchy. So I'll see you when hopefully this is dry. Okay, well, you know, it is what it is. I feel like in the viewfinder there, it looks like it's solid in real life. Just pretend that it's solid. So anyway, I changed my shirt because I think I'm gonna bring it down my chest a little bit. This is where we're at. Save me, please. Okay, so I am going to sort of color in my eyes so that it's just all black in there. And that way when we put the buttons on, actually, well, I don't know. Maybe I don't have to. I think I'm going to leave that for now. So what we're actually going to do is draw on the new eyebrows. Okay. Okay. We can work with that. We can make that better. Oh no. All right, you guys, these are the eyebrows. We all have to get over it, including me. All right, I think I'm gonna start. I look like a mime painting on the cracks. That's a great crack line, don't you think? Yes. Okay. Okay. So cracks are on, and what I'm doing now is kind of going in with a little bit of black, and at the like kind of corners of some of the pieces, I am kind of like thickening, it's that word again, making it more thick in those corners to make it look like, you know, the shards are kind of weirdly placed, and I don't know, give it a more 3D, I guess, look. Okay, so I feel like that looks really good because I feel like it gave it a more sort of like real-ish kind of look. So I think now we're gonna do the mouth. Okay, I believe you. Okay. We're back. I feel like it's been an hour. It probably has been. So I went off camera and kind of fixed, I'm going to say fixed, but I did some things with my chest. You're not really going to see my chest, but I did want at least this to kind of like block out my shoulders and stuff. So I think it's time to finish out this look, honestly. So I'm gonna be I think I'm honestly just gonna use like lash glue to glue on the buttons. Oh my god. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna use lash glue on these buttons. I've also got a wig. So it is finally time for the reveal. Alright, you guys, I don't know. I don't even know what I look like right now. I can't see anything. Like, there are little holes in these buttons, but you know, my eyelashes are sticking out of them, but for the most part, I can't see you. I can't see anything. So, I don't even know if this is good. Is it good? I mean, I don't know. I'm like kind of afraid to take things off because I don't know what any of like the final shots looked like. I also tried to make a TikTok out of this. So like I said, I don't even know what any of it looks like. So what if it's terrible and I've ripped my... All right. Wow. Oh, back to the mime. So anyway, I really hope that you're watching this because if you're not, then that means it didn't turn out good. But given that you are watching this, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like. I am only looking at my nose. Like I see it and I want to claw it off. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me literally everywhere. It is at Artsymadwoman. I love you guys to absolute death, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye! For those of you that stuck around to watch me rip this nose off because I know that you wanted to see it, we're gonna do it. Oh, I want to stab something through it, you know? You know when people stab things through this stuff? Alright. It's my new nose ring. I love it! Oh, that's nice. That is really nice. Ugh. Oh my god. Look how red my nose is. Oh my god, I feel like my nose was not enjoying that. And we sweaty under here. I'm not wearing a bra. I'm not wearing a bra. It's nice.